Let's now discuss DUMAI, or governing vessel pathway. DUMAI is also called the governing vessel. Its relationship: first, we have a yin-yang relationship with the Renmai and DUMAI. Second relationship is the central peripheral relationship between DUMAI and the Yang Chao Mai. Its region supported by this pairing are as follows: the inner canthus of the eye, the occiput, the shoulders, the back, the small intestine, and the bladder channels. Its opening point is SI3, and its coupled point is bladder 62. Now let's trace its pathway. The extraordinary vessel DUMAI originates like the Chongmai and Renmai in the lower abdomen, and according to some authors, at the kidneys, and then emerges at the perineum and divides into several branches. The main pathway of the DUMAI begins at REN1, at the perineum, reaches DU1 between the anus and the coccyx, and ascends to the posterior midline along the spine. At DU12, below the spinous process of the third thoracic vertebra, a branch separates on either side to reach bladder 12, rejoining the main branch at DU13 below the spinous process of the first thoracic vertebra. It then continues to DU16 on the lower border of the occipital bone. Here, an internal branch enters the brain. The external pathway continues to ascend to the head to DU20, from there beginning its descent along the midline to the forehead and the nose to DU26, where it crosses the stomach and large intestine channels. It terminates inside the mouth below the frenulum at DU28, where it meets the stomach channel and the extraordinary vessel Renmai. One branch of the DUMAI, the spinal branch, originates at REN1, courses to the tip of the coccyx where it meets the kidney primary channel, ascends within the spinal canal to the space between lumbar 2 and lumbar 3, and enters the kidneys. The second branch of the DUMAI, the abdominal branch, originates at REN1, encircles the external genitalia and ascends to the umbilicus, passes through the heart, continues to the throat, circles the lips, travels to the cheeks, passes stomach 21 at the infraorbital ridge, and reaches bladder 1. The third branch of the DUMAI travels bilaterally alongside the bladder channel from bladder 1 to the vertex. From here, it branches out internally into the brain. The external pathway follows the medial branches of the bladder channel in an inferior direction and enters the body at the level of the lower border of the spinous process at lumbar 2 at bladder 23 to terminate at the kidneys. Its connections with other channels and organs. The DUMAI is connected to the Renmai, Chongmai, bladder, and kidney primary channels. It is also connected to the uterus, the kidneys, and the brain organs. Clinical importance. It is the sea of the yang qi, which supplies yang qi in order to warm the organs and channels. It supports and regulates all yang channels, especially those of the upper back and head. It influences and strengthens the functions of the brain, the marrow, and the sensory organs. It strengthens the body constitutionally and supports the immune system for the circulation of the defensive qi or the wei qi. It also stores the essence qi or the jing qi overflowing from the yang channels. It absorbs excess from the yang channels, especially excess heat and internal wind. Notes about the DUMAI. Both the DUMAI and the Renmai have a unique position among the 8 extraordinary vessels. They are the only 2 extraordinary vessels with their own specific points. All the other extraordinary vessels can only be accessed through points on the primary channels. For this reason, the Renmai and the DUMAI, together with the primary channels, are often categorized as 14 channels. However, from the point of view of channel energetics, this is not correct, since the extraordinary vessels occupy a special position both evolutionarily and functionally. The pathway of the Dumai, like that of the Renmai, is limited to the torso and the head, while it does not course along the extremities and does not have any points on the limbs, neither general points nor specific points such as the 5 shoe transporting points, the Yuan source points, and the others. It does have a pertaining opening point or master point. The Dumai is also referred to as the Sea of Yang and governs the yang and the whole body. Located along its pathway are the posterior aspects of the energy centers or chakras according to Yugi tradition, while their anterior aspects are located along the pathway of the Renmai. In Taoist tradition, the Dumai plays an important role in the cultivation of qi. This concerns the development of a spirit child, which can be influenced by opening and activating energy centers located along the spine. Furthermore, the Dumai contains many meeting points with other channels. This clearly denotes the outstanding importance of the Dumai.